Good morning, and I welcome you, students. We have finished the chapter of matter in our surroundings. And important points, students, if I recap what we said in this chapter, what we talked about in this chapter, matter and matter in our surrounding students. What is important that you said that the matter which we have is made up of very, very tiny particles. These tiny particles have space between them, and there is an attractive force between these particles. And we have given experiments and demonstrated certain activities to show that. And force of attraction is maximum where? Solid, liquid, or gas? Fast.
Solid.
In solid, the force of attraction is maximum, and the result is that the particles are very closely packed in solids. So solids become very rigid. And in gas, the attractive forces are very, very weak, very, very weak, negligible. You are saying the particles of the gas are in continuous motion. They are moving randomly at with having some kinetic energy. And we have shown you, student. And in gases, these particles can move very fast, and gases have two very important properties. Which are the two important properties of the gases, students?
Gases are highly compressible and they can diffuse very quickly.
All right, that's very important point, that these gases are compressible, students, and the gases show diffusion. These two properties is very, very essential. Diffusion is very, very important, and compressibility of gases, so that they can be easily stored and transported. Otherwise, it will become very difficult. Therefore, students, further we said the states of matter are interconvertible. That means solid can go to liquid, liquid can go to gas, student, and gas to liquid, liquid to solid. They are interconvertible. By supplying energy, students, by giving heat energy, solid can be converted into liquid, liquid gas, and reverse by withdrawing energy by cooling. We get back the. We discussed also, student, sublimation, and we talked about dry ice also, student. Dry ice, when you store ice at high pressure, and then when it is coming to the atmospheric pressure, you see the gas, it is converted into gas.
Yes.
Therefore, we also studied, student, what is boiling of a liquid, and we studied the boiling point, which is a bulk phenomena. And what happens in boiling is a bulk phenomena, student. Bulk of the liquid starts boiling. And when I talk of evaporation, students, it is taking place from the surface, student, surface phenomena. This is happening from the surface. Important point, student. Important point. It depends on the surface area, temperature, humidity, and wind speed. And you have seen there is a latent heat of fusion. There is a latent heat of vaporization. We have told you what is latent heat of fusion. We have told you what is latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization, which is, and we have shown you all these things, how evaporation causes cooling. So we are now familiar with the entire topic.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And beside this, we discussed two other important states of the matter. We have shown you how plasma is there, and Bose-Einstein, see the great scientists who have given us another state of the matter at a very, very low temperature. Bose and S.N. Bose, 1894, 1975, Indian scientist. Albert Einstein, is a genius, greatest scientist of the world. So they have also indicated Bose-Einstein condensation. When the gases are cooled at to super low temperature, student, then you get another state of the matter. All right, yes, what we experience, three states of the matter. Further, students, there are certain quantities which are important and certain units are associated with them. So we should know what are the symbols and what are the units which we use. You know temperature?
Yes, sir.
And the symbol we have represented by K. K is called the Kelvin, student. Kelvin scale of the temperature. We have also indicated to you how we calculate Kelvin.
K is equal to degree Celsius.
Plus 273.15. We neglect considering degree Celsius plus 273. For length, What is the unit of the length, student? SI unit of the length is meter. Standard unit of the length is meter, student, represented by small m, small m. Meter. Standard unit of mass is kg. This is our kg, student. Weight is expressed in Newton. You know, weight is equal to m into g. So this is kilogram meter per second square, which is called a Newton. Volume, meter cube. What do you mean by volume, student? If I have a cube or anything, I have length, I have breadth, I have height. L into B into H is the volume. So what will be this? Meter cube. And density, what is a density, student? Mass per unit volume. Mass, how we say SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of volume is meter cube, student. So kilogram meter minus 3, and pressure is force per unit area, which we are saying pascals. So all these units we should be familiar because they will be used in numericals, problems, or in any topic. Okay? These are some of the units we should be learning.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now coming to the exercise questions, student. Exercise questions are on the screen, students. What is the first question? What he says, exercise, convert the following temperatures to the Celsius scale. What is the answer of A? You have to convert to 93 into Celsius scale.
Yes.
You have 1 minute to answer every question, student. 1 minute to answer every question now. We will get 1 minute to answer question.
Sir, we will use formula K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273 K.
Yes, 273. Then what happens? You are given 293 Kelvin. Okay, temperature. Then what will be Celsius? 293 is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Then what will be degree Celsius, student? 293 minus 273. How much you get?
20 degrees Celsius.
20 degrees Celsius. That is the first answer. What is the second answer, students? Temperature is 470 Kelvin. So what will be the answer? K is equal to degree centigrade plus 273. 470 is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Degree Celsius is equal to 470 minus 273. What is the answer coming, students?
197 degrees Celsius.
197 degrees Celsius. So that both answers are correct. Both your answers are correct, student. We are coming to question number 2. Convert that following temperature to the Kelvin scale. You have 1 to 2 minutes to answer every question. 1 to 2 minutes to answer every question, students.
Sir, we will use the same formula.
Yes, there is only one formula I have given you. I have not given you any other formula. There is no other formula to convert Kelvin into Celsius scale.
So, sir, 25 degrees Celsius plus 273.
K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. K is equal to 25 plus 273. How much is the answer coming?
298.
298 Kelvin. Correct answer. Then question number 2. How much is this? 373 degrees Celsius. So how much will be Kelvin? Kelvin is how much? Degree Celsius, how much? 373.
373.
373 plus 273. How much is it?
646 Kelvin.
646 Kelvin. Okay. Next question. Give reason for the following observation. Give reasons. A. What is the answer of the A, students? Give reason for the following observation. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. What is our answer for this case, students?
Sir, naphthalene balls undergo sublimation.
Naphthalene sublimes. ठीक है? Sublimes, student. What will happen then? Naphthalene in the solid form will be converted into naphthalene
gaseous
gas. ठीक है? At the temperature So this will disappear because of the sublimation. Okay? This
Yes.
process is called sublimation. Sublimation takes place. Okay, next. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. What is the answer, students? What happens?
That the particles of perfume diffuse into the particles of air and reaches us.
So here, what we are saying, student, what is happening to that the particles of the gas, student, perfume, the particles of perfume, particles of the perfume, student, they are in motion, they are moving, so they undergo diffusion, and therefore we can see, we experience their smell, students, several meters away. So the vapors are there. These are the vapors, student. What are these vapors? So
Yes,
the
sir.
substance, what we have seen, they are having the vapors. So these vapors will diffuse, students. What is this vapors? So they are forming the vapor, student. The particles of the vapor, they diffuse and reach us the sitting. So we will get the smell. Okay. Next question. Arrange the following substances in increasing order of forces of attraction. Forces of attraction, student.
Sir, first oxygen, then water, and then
Oxygen. Why oxygen?
sir, because it's gas, and as we know in gas intermolecular force of
Oxygen
attraction.
is a gas. Then water is liquid. Then sugar is solid. So the forces of attraction increases as you go from gas to solid. Okay? The
Yes,
maximum
sir.
force of attraction will be between solids.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, student. Next question. What is the physical state, student? What is the physical state of water? Fifth question A. What is the physical state of water? Physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius.
Sir, it's in liquid form.
Right now, you have water at home, student. It is existing in the liquid form. Room temperature. If your room temperature is there, water is liquid. B. At 0 degree Celsius, what will happen?
Sir, it can be solid or liquid.
It can be ice solid, or it can be, it is both liquid and solid. Not or, I'm saying these two states are existing, solid and liquid. Next, at 100 degree Celsius, water is
Liquid state and gas state.
liquid and gas. All answers correct. Give two reasons to justify water at room temperature is a liquid. Give to justify, student. What you will justify? Why water is liquid?
Sir, intermolecular force of attraction.
Intermolecular forces of attraction between
The particle.
water molecules is high or large. What is there? What we call as, student? This is called, there is a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, students. which is existing between these water molecules. If you have this H2O student, you have another H2O, you have another H2O. What is happening? There is an intermolecular force of attraction, which is, we are saying, intermolecular hydrogen bonding.
Yes.
Okay, next answer. An iron almara is solid at room temperature. How will you justify it, student?
Sir,
What
it
are the
has definite shape, distinct boundaries, and fixed volume.
almara has definite shape. What else?
Distinct boundaries.
Distinct boundary. Cannot be compressed. Or I say it is rigid in its own way. What are the characteristics of the solid? And it does not flow. Okay. All these characteristics of the solids we have told you, students. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Ice, you have ice, student, at 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin temperature. And here I have water at 273. Which will be more effective in cooling?
Sir, ice.
Why?
Sir, this is because of latent heat of fusion.
Okay. Because ice can absorb more amount of heat than water. Ice can absorb more amount of heat. More amount of heat than water to 73 Kelvin because of student latent, because of its latent heat of fusion. Okay, you may know the answer. How will you write the answer is important, so you have to be sure what you are writing, student. Answer 7.
Yes, sir.
Answer 8 is on the coming now. This is an important question. It has been put up in the paper many times. What produces more sphere burns, boiling water or steam, students?
Sir, steam causes more severe burns because of latent heat of vaporization.
Steam causes more sphere burns because steam has what steam has, student? Steam has more energy stored in it due to latent heat of due to its latent heat of vaporization. So you should be aware that steam will be more dangerous, student. If it comes on your face, you will get severe burns. You will get severe burns. All right. Next question is coming on the screen, student. Name A, B, C, D, E, F in the following diagrams. You have to take your time, student, when you answer the question. Here is a flow chart. This flow chart is a flow chart for the conversion of solid into liquid, liquid into gas. Heat increasing, pressure decreasing, decrease in heat, increase. So you have to specify what will be A, student.
Sir, melting.
A is melting, solid to liquid, solid to liquid. What do we call this as?
Sir,
Fusion. Fusion. Where is B student? Liquid to gas.
Sir, vaporization.
Vaporization student. What is C students?
Sir, condensation.
Gas is cooled, then gas will go into liquid. Fusion. What is fusion then? Solid to liquid and gas to liquid student. This I'm writing. Vaporization is liquid to gas. What is C? Gas to liquid. Gas to liquid condensation. Condensation takes place when you go from gas to liquid. Okay. Where is your D students? What is the D?
Sir, solidification.
So what is happening in the D student? Solidification. What is solidification? Liquid to solid. What else is there? E. What is E students?
Sublimation.
E is sublimation. Sublimation, what is happening? Solid is being converted into gas student. That is sublimation. What else is there? F.
Yes, sir.
What is happening in F students?
The deposition.
Deposition. What is that? That is
Sir,
also.
Sir, in NCERT book, it's given from gas to liquid is deposition.
Gas to solid we are going.
Sorry, sir, gas to solid.
Gas to solid. What is solidification? What you are saying?
Deposition.
Gas is getting deposit. Reverse of sublimation. Actually, if we don't have a term, then we say reverse sublimation is taking place in the sense solid to gas, gas to solid. Okay. Sometimes they call it sublimation.
Sir, fusion and melting are same things.
Reverse we have shown. When solid to liquid, we call it fusion. These are certain terms which are used. Matlab, when I will melt the solid, what will happen? Then it will become liquid. There is nothing special. Matlab, we can use that also.
Okay.
Now coming to certain questions, student, certain MCQ questions are coming. Matter and surroundings. Matter and surroundings, students. He says on Kelvin scale, 0 degree centigrade is equal to. First, you see the whenever MCQ question, what I'm saying, student, MCQ questions, there will be choices. First, you should not see the choice. First, you find your answer and then you match with it. Okay. What is given? 0 degree Celsius. That will mean how much? Kelvin? 0 plus 273.
273 Kelvin.
So 273 Kelvin. Which is the correct answer? A. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Liquids have. Now we have shown you the characteristics of the liquids. We have shown the properties of the liquids. Liquids have fixed volume and fixed shape. Is it correct?
No, sir.
They have fixed volume, but shape not correct. They have fixed shape. And no fixed volume. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No, sir. They have fixed volume, no fixed shape.
Yes, sir.
This is correct. They have neither fixed volume. No, this is wrong. So what is the correct answer then? C. Next question. Dry ice means, this is SO2. This is CO2. Dry ice means, student, what? What is dry ice? We told you what is dry ice, students.
Sir, solid CO2.
Dry ice is solid CO2. How it is formed? When you apply very high pressure, when you compress carbon dioxide gas at high pressure. So which is the correct answer then?
C.
C is the correct answer. All right. Okay. Materials existing as liquids have. Materials existing as liquids have, student, boiling point and melting point above the room temperature. Is it correct? Materials existing as liquids have boiling point and melting point above the room temperature. Is it a correct statement, students?
No, sir.
Boiling point and this is I am sitting at my room temperature. Then boiling point and melting point is above the room temperature. Liquid, it is liquid. Liquid means what? That melting point, it has already melted. But is it boiling? No.
No.
Boiling point and melting point below the room temperature. If boiling point is below the room temperature,
no, sir.
Then it cannot be liquid. No. Boiling point above the room temperature and melting point below the room temperature. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the correct statement. Boiling point and melting point below, this is also wrong statement. So this is wrong. This is false. 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 And this is true. Sometimes they will give questions in the form of true or false or fill in the blanks. Yes. Different types of questions are put up to the students. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is accompanied by cooling? Cooling. What is cooling, student?
When we decrease temperature.
When you decrease the temperature, what will happen? Which of the following is accompanied by cooling, student? Cooling. Cooling, vaporization? No. Evaporation? No. Condensation? Okay, this is none of. Intermolecular forces of attraction is maximum in
solids.
Solids. The force of attraction we have already shown you, students. Solids more than liquids and liquids more than gases. And the result is interspacing. The distance becomes least in the solids. And then further, what happens in between, and then the distance becomes very large in the gases between the particles. Question number 7 is coming. When you add sugar in water, particles of the sugar disappear. Do they disappear?
Yes, sir.
What it proves, students? What it proves? Our particles are small. They get into spaces between water molecules. They are moving. What is the correct answer?
Sir, all about.
Okay. So these particles are small. That is correct. Get into spaces is correct. They are moving is also correct. So therefore, the correct answer is D. All are correct. Okay. Next question. One small crystal of potassium permanganate may contain student. May contain. You know, we have performed an activity in the book. You have seen. I take a crystal of KMnO4, put in water. What happens? What happened?
The color changed.
What color?
Sir, it changed to violet color. And
Then
after
you
that,
start diluting it. Take 10
yes, sir.
milliliter, add 90 water. Take 10. What happens? The color becomes less, but color
Yes, sir.
does not disappear. What it proved
Sir,
that the
the
one
matter
crystal,
consists of tiny crystal, tiny
one
particles.
crystal was having very very large number of tiny particles. So what is the number?
The more than 10 raised to the power 6.
So this number is very very large, more than 10 power 6 student particles are there. 10 power, sometimes 10 power 18, 20. Oh my god. Which of the following statement is not correct? Now it is saying not correct, student, not. So we have to be careful. Read the question carefully, then you answer. First, sorry, density of ice is less than density of water. Convert a temperature on Kelvin scale to Celsius. Subtract 273 from a given temperature. To convert temperature on Celsius to Kelvin, add 273. Vaporization of liquid causes cooling, student. Which is the correct answer?
Sir, B.
B. Not correct, he's saying. Density of ice is less than density of water. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
It is true. Okay. Convert temperature to on the Kelvin to Celsius. Kelvin to Celsius, subtract 273. Is it wrong? How do you write? K is
No,
equal
sir.
to 0 plus 273. Is it true?
No, sir.
What? If I want to convert Kelvin to Celsius, this
Sir,
is wrong. Not correct.
B.
Not correct. Kelvin to Celsius scale, subtract 273 from a given temperature. From a given temperature. What given temperature?
Sir, this option will be true.
To convert a temperature on the you are given a Kelvin temperature. Okay? If you are given 570 Kelvin, okay? And you want to Celsius, what you do?
570 minus 270.
Okay? What is Celsius? K minus 273. Okay? This is then what is wrong with this? Is it wrong?
No, sir.
This is correct. Correct. Okay. Next, to convert temperature on the Celsius to Kelvin, add 273.
Sir, this is also correct.
This is also correct. Kelvin to Celsius. D. Vaporization of liquid causes cooling.
No, sir. This is.
It is wrong. Vaporization of liquid causes cooling. No. Evaporation of liquid causes cooling.
Yes, sir.
Evaporation, we are saying. Okay. Which of the following pair will not exhibit diffusion? Hydrogen and oxygen, oxygen and water, salt and sand, sugar and water.
Sir, salt and.
Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, if you mix, what will happen? They will show diffusion.
Yes, sir.
Gases diffuse. Oxygen and water, what happens? Oxygen gas gets dissolved in
Water.
water, liquid. This also is diffusion. Now here there are two solids. Salt solid and sand solid. They don't show diffusion, student.
Yes, sir.
Sugar will dissolve in water, will show diffusion. The answer will be C. Next question is on the screen, student. Which of these following substances becomes liquid easily upon heating?
Sir, butter.
Okay, you know butter, you just put on the heat, it will melt into liquid. That means the intermolecular force of attraction is least here. There is more here. So the correct answer is butter. Next question is coming. The temperature at which solid melts to become a liquid at atmospheric pressure. Boiling
Sir,
point,
melting
melting
point.
point, freezing point, and none of this. What is that?
Melting point.
Solid melts into liquid at atmospheric pressure, which I'm saying 180 MP. That temperature is called the melting point.
Yes.
Okay. Which one of the following properties are not characteristics of the liquid, students?
Sir, definite shape. Option B.
Liquids, fluid, that is correct.
Yes, sir.
They have a definite shape. No.
Yes.
They have definite volume, correct. And compressibility, of course, you can compress very little, but that's you can. So what is the correct answer then? B part. Okay. Next question. Large volume of compressed natural gas is available in small cylinders due to the property of you have seen CNG gas.
Yes, sir.
You have CNG gas stations now. Where is the gas in the stations? They are storing it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Due to high inflammability, easy availability, high compressibility, low density.
High compressibility.
Again, I'm saying this is the most important property of gases. Gases can be compressed, therefore it is easy to store. Otherwise, how will I do it, student? If it is not compressible, then can I store it?
No, sir.
How will I store it? Okay. The compressibility of which state of matter is high?
Yes.
You already said gas, because this is always an important question. The most important property of gas, I said compressibility. That question asked so many times in the paper. Next question is coming, student. A state of matter which has neither definite shape nor definite volume.
Yes.
Gas has no shape, no volume. Gas has no shape, no volume, no definite. I'm saying no definite shape, no definite volume. Question number 17 is coming on the screen, student. Gases are liquefied. Gases are liquefied under high pressure, high temperature, high pressure, low temperature, low pressure, high temperature, low pressure, low temperature, students.
Sir, high pressure, low temperature.
When pressure is high, particles will be compressed. Temperature is low, then it can be liquefied. Very important. High pressure and high pressure and low temperature. Important point, student. They ask question on this many times. Next question is coming on the screen. Which of the following changes represent sublimation? Solid to liquid, solid to gas, liquid to gas, gas, liquid, solid.
Sir, solid to gas.
Solid to gas. We have already indicated solid is directly converted into gas, student. Examples, you have ammonium chloride,
Naphthalene.
camphor, naphthalene balls. We are again giving these questions are there in the somewhere in the papers. Okay, gases do not have high compressibility, high fluidity, high density, large volume. What is the correct answer, students?
Sir, high density.
Gases have the lowest density. Gases have low density. Why? Density is mass per unit volume.
Yes.
So volume of the gas is very large, it occupies student, then what will happen? Density is less, so I am able to work student. You can see air is there inside me, around me. If its density will be high, what will happen? It will all sit down, settle down. Which of the following is the simplest form of the matter? Simplest form of the matter, students. Element, mixture, compound. None of these.
Sir, element.
Element is the simplest form. Element, what is an element, student? When I say this is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, gold, silver. So the elements, these are the elements. They will, element of carbon will only have atoms of carbon. It will be only atoms of carbon. So what is that in that? Proton, neutron, or we know. Evaporation of material takes place above its boiling point, above its melting point, below its boiling point, below its melting point. Student, what is the correct answer?
Below its boiling.
Below its boiling point. We already told you that we are not boiling the liquid, but it evaporates, and then it takes the heat from the surroundings, latent heat, and it evaporates. It evaporates. The boiling point of water is 100, but when I sprinkle water, it evaporates, student. Before its boiling point, we reached. That is evaporation. Question 22. Particles of liquid are. Particles of liquid are, student. What it means? Particles of liquid are. Most ordered, move randomly, have large intermolecular spaces, can slip and slid each over each other.
Sir, D.
Are they most ordered? No. Move randomly? Yes, they are moving. They are not moving that randomly. They have large intermolecular spaces. They can slip. They can slip, they can slip and slide over each other. They are doing it. When we will discuss viscosity on other things, they have sliding, which is not the characteristics of matter. Which is not the correct. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter move faster on increasing temperature. Particles of matter intermix with each other. Particles of all matters have same kinetic energy. Then what is the correct answer?
Particles of all matters have same kind.
That this is correct. Particles of matter move faster. This is also correct. They intermix. We have seen intermixing thing. Particles have same kinetic energy. How they can have all same kinetic energy? That is not correct. Wrong. So our answer will be D. Next question is coming. The fluorescent tubes and neon sign bulbs glow because of student
High temperature.
presence of charged particles, high density of gases, high temperature. High temperature is there in bulb also. What is so special? I'm saying neon sign bulbs. What happens in this?
Presence of charged particles.
We have told you plasma state. When temperature becomes very high, what happens, student? These gas particles become ionized. High energy charged particles are there. High energy charged particles are there, student. They glow. They will glow. Okay. Which of the following will not sublime, student? We have indicated what is sublimation, students.
Yes.
Which will not sublime? We discussed sublimation process. Camphor sublimes,
Yes, sir.
it sublimes. Ammonium chloride we have indicated, iodine sublimes, but this bromine will not sublime, student. Answer is C, students. Which of the following set of phenomena would increase on raising the temperature? You are increasing the temperature. What will happen? Diffusion, evaporation, compression of gases, evaporation, compression of gases, solubility, evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. Evaporation, solubility, diffusion, compression of gases. Which is the correct answer, students?
Sir, evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases.
So when you increase the temperature, what happens, students? Kinetic energy of particles increases. Kinetic energy of particle increases, students. So if the kinetic energy of particles will increase, evaporation will be more, diffusion will be more, expansion, gas will expand because energy increase. C is the correct answer. Next question. SEMA visited a natural gas compressing unit, found that the gas can be liquefied under specific conditions of temperature and pressure. While sharing her experience with friends, she got confused. Help to identify the correct set of conditions, students. Low temperature, low pressure, high temperature, low pressure, low temperature, high pressure, high temperature, high pressure.
Low temperature, high pressure.
So when you convert gas into liquid, what will you have to do, student? Temperature low and
Yes, sir.
high pressure. Which is the correct answer? Low.
C.
C part. Okay. Next question is coming on the screen. Student, the property to flow is unique to fluids. Which of the following statement is correct? Read the question carefully. Pay attention whether its answer is asking correct or wrong. Only gases behave like fluids. Is it correct? Only gases?
No, sir.
No. Gases and solids behave like fluid.
No, sir.
Wrong. Gases and liquids behave like fluids.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So we got the answer only liquid. Okay. So this is the C is the correct answer. Next question is coming. During summer, water kept in earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomenon of,
Evaporation.
you know, we have already given an example that in earthen pot, evaporation causes cooling. Question has been asked many times in the paper, student. Evaporation causes cooling. A few substances are arranged in increasing order of force of attraction between the particle. Which one of the following statement is correct, students?
Oxygen, water, sugar.
Here, the main thing is, you know, we have told you the force of attraction, oxygen, gas is less than liquid and liquid is less than solid. Which is the correct answer then? A, B, C, D.
C.
C. Oxygen is a gas, water is a liquid, sugar is a solid. Okay. And converting 25 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, the correct sequence of temperature will be 25 Kelvin will be how much? 25 plus 273, 38 plus 273, 66 plus 273. Which is the correct answer then?
Sir, first option.
298. How much it is coming? 311. And how much is this? 339. Answer is A. Okay. Next question. Choose the correct statement of the following. Conversion of solid into vapors. Conversion of solid into correct. Conversion of solid into vapors without passing through liquid is called sublimation.
Sir, it's correct.
Choose the correct statement of the following. Solid into vapors without passing through liquid is called sublimation. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what I have to do? Only I need not read the further answer if it is correct. All right, then we have nothing to do with the further. Question 8 is on the screen, student. The boiling points of diethyl ether acetone and normal butyl are this. Which one is the correct? Represent the boiling points in Kelvin scale. Again, you will add 273 in each of them. How much you are getting? Celsius to Kelvin. How much you are? Which is the correct answer?
Sir, C option.
C. Okay. Okay, students. See, be very careful in answering the question, students. Which condition out of the following will increase the evaporation of water? Again and again, there are certain conditions which we are talking for evaporation also. Increase in temperature, decrease in temperature, less exposed surface area, adding common salt to water.
Sir, A option, increase in temperature.
So rate of evaporation. Rate of evaporation is directly proportional to temperature, student. Temperature increases, rate of evaporation increases. Okay, next question, students. In which of the following condition distance between molecules of hydrogen gas would increase? In which of the following condition distance between hydrogen gas, you have H2 gas molecules, increase on hydrogen increasing pressure on hydrogen in a closed container. Some hydrogen gas leaks out, increasing volume of the container, adding more hydrogen to the container, student.
Sir, second and third.
Some hydrogen gas leaks out, then what will happen?
The distance between the molecules.
And what increasing the volume of the container? If I increase the volume of the container, what happens? First, the gas was in this container, H2 gas. Now I increase the volume of the container. What will happen? Here, the distance will decrease. So which are the correct?
The second
and third? What choice is the correct here? A, B, C, D? Answer C. Okay. Second and third. So students, this ends up the session of question answers from the topic which you have studied, matter in our surroundings, and you could answer almost all the questions. The performance is good. That means you have understood the entire chapter. All NCERT questions have been solved. Extra question important have been solved. So this ends up the topic of matter and surroundings. And therefore, students, we will meet you in our next class. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.